So from this report, we can see that we have total revenue of 85 million, total profit of 32 million, profit margin very healthy, total cost and total orders. The business is profitable because you can see 37.8% margin is actually very strong. And from this line graph, you can see that revenue and profit are very close to each other, which means that the company is stable. And looking at the product, you can see that some products are actually giving us more profit than some. You can easily conclude that this company is a bike company because it's getting more products or more profit from bike than clothing. So what I will recommend is that they should double down on bike sales and create like more new models of bike, more premium models, and expand their reach. Then they should re-evaluate their clothing line. Probably sell sorry, probably consider selling bundles of clothing along with bikes instead of just selling clothing alone. So that will give more potential sales of clothing along with bikes, then scale accessories too. So on geographical location, you can see that United States is giving us more profit than Australia, UK, Germany, France. Canada is giving us the least profit. And from this chart, we can see that we are really at risk because our profit is coming from United States mostly, and that's already a risk problem. So what we could do is we can scale we will reduce dependency on United States and scale Australia and UK because they are also promising. They have a promising market. So we can also do localized campaign on Germany and France just to increase and optimize our expansion, plus maximize our expanse, our geographical expansion. So our profit will not be totally dependent on United States. I keep saying our as if the owner. Their profit will not be dependent on United States. So we come to products details. So on the products report, you can see total revenue, total profit, profit margin, and total orders. You can see the top five products that are really doing absolutely well over time. Then total quantity, products that are more the products that are mostly ordered and in their quantity by revenue. Let's come to this scattered plot. You can see that some products have more profit and more revenue, unlike some that have high revenue and low profit and low revenue and high profit margin. So what we could do is divide this scatter plot into three segments like high revenue, high profit, and we go more into that one aggressively because high revenue, high profit, every business is in existence to make profit. So we can scale low revenue, high profit, and low high revenue, low profit margin. We can scale those ones up. So when it comes to customer insights, we see total orders, total profit margin, total states, total countries. And from the chart, you can see that adults between the age of 35 to 64 are giving us more revenue than young adults, and seniors is giving us less revenue. So we can probably do ads or target marketing that targets this particular age group. Then from the profit margin, we can see that male and female are equally purchasing our product. We are getting profit these two age from these two gender almost equally with just really tight margin difference. Then like I was saying just now, we can see that in this age group, both male and female are equally buying or almost equally buying our products, and we are getting almost equal revenue and profit from this age group. We can drill through on some certain page to see more to have more insights on that particular, like we drill through down through the year just now 2014, and we can see the things that gone on in 2014, our total profits, total revenue, order quantity. So that is for customer insights. So these things flying on when I over are basically my two tips, and they are just giving an insight of the geographical of the location of the particular age group, because that's adult 35 to 64, and you can see where they are basically located at. If I move this to widen the scope, um, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you.